What's going on, everyone? I am back. Today is June the 30th, 2022. We're going to talk about Tesla today. Yes, we're going to talk about Tesla. We're going to see whether or not if this stock is about to plummet because the market failed to trade above $800. You guys can see already in front of you that I have a price prediction on the chart already for Tesla of where I'm looking for the market to move. I wanted to come in and update you all as to what do I think now. So before I get started, welcome everyone to my channel. Those who are new, you guys can see it. I do the price predictions. I come through and I predict where prices are going to go without the confusion, whether prices geared to go up or if it's geared to go down. I'm going to show you where I'm looking for the market to move. You may like it, you may not. I get it. But you know what? Making money has no feelings. It's not emotional. When you come in and play these stocks, you need to be the same way. Because I have yet to see a stock come back and tell someone that they like them, that they love them. But you see human beings come and create videos and content and say, you have to know why you're buying the stock. Are you convicted? Do you believe in the company? It's nothing of that sort should be involved in the stock market. Nothing. You should not place your emotions, your convictions on these stocks because it cannot reverberate it back to you. All right, so y'all want to join me? Today's your first time seeing my videos, my content. Welcome. I create this content to show you all that it doesn't have to be complicated. You can predict for yourself. You don't have to listen to none of these financial YouTubers out here on these YouTube streets because you can predict prices on your own. Let's take a look. Now let's talk about it, okay? Because the last video that I've done for Tesla was on June the 4th. Okay, that was the last video that I did for this stock. If you haven't seen it, once you get done looking at this one, go back and listen to what I was talking about then, because overall, you guys can see, let me zoom in. You guys can see that the market in Tesla really hasn't changed. It's pretty much just been trading sideways. What does that mean? What does it mean? The market in Tesla has been trading sideways ever since at least mid-May. The market has not gone up and it hasn't gone down. So we need to get an idea as to what this means. What does all of these trading days mean? When you see things like that, it resembles either people buying up the stock or people selling the stock. See, when you got millions of stocks, right, that you have possession of, okay, millions, and you need to offload it, you need to sell it back to the market, okay, you have to consolidate the market for you to grab the biggest profitability you can. You just cannot dump hundreds of millions of shares in the market because it will have a negative impact on price. So what they'll do, they'll stage like a campaign, or they try to stage an opportunity to where they can sell here on one day, sell again on another day, sell again, and it continually goes on until that volume, those stocks are finally sold out into the market, and then price will either crash or price will break out. So let's try to determine what this is. All right, so the first thing we'll have to do to really get a general idea as to whether or not the market is buying or selling, we'll look at this from a long-term perspective, right? So this is Tesla on the weekly. The biggest problem, like the title of my video reads, is the fact that price in Tesla did not break above $800. I wanted that to happen for us to be more bullish than bearish, for us to be buyers and not sellers. But that hasn't happened. Look at all the weeks that we've seen so far since my last video that Tesla has not traded above $800. So that means, all right, that this downturn that started in Tesla all the way back here since mid-April, it is still viable. The market is not believing where Tesla's price is right now. Because if people believed that the market was going to go up in this stock's price, they would be buying the stock. And as the longer that we see price continually get rejected at $100, the bigger the move down is going to be. I'm here to break that news to you right now. You're not going to hear that from anyone else because everybody else wants you to be happy. Yeah, they want you to be ecstatic, excited for the stock because it makes you like the video. I get it. Everyone can do that. But it takes a different breed for you to come out here and be real on these YouTube streets and show you all where price is about to go. So check this out. Look at Tesla on the 2 weeks. Okay? Take a look. Does it look bullish to you? Look at the last couple of 2 weekly price bars. Does the market in Tesla look bullish to you? Okay. Take a look at it on the 3 weeks. What do you think? We got 8 more days left and 10 hours on the current 3 weekly price bar. 5 weeks. Let's look at the monthly because today's the last day of the month. And here it is. We got 9 hours and 53 minutes. This is the reason why the market in Tesla is not crashing right now. It's because all the people who bought the stock here back in 2021, they're saying, okay, cool. If I'm looking for the price in the long term to continue to fall, let me go ahead and get off my position that I first bought the stock here. So price is going to kind of bounce and trade sideways currently, right? But then when you look at the chart on a 3 months perspective, okay, let's look at this on 3 months. That's the problem right here. Okay, we got 9 hours and 53 minutes left on this current 3 monthly price bar in Tesla, and that is not good. What we see right now over the last 3 months reflects that the market is still weak in Tesla. Take a look at this on the 6 months. Look at that. This first 6 month price bar right here, the market went up, right? July of 2021 to today, the market, well, to the end of last year, the market was going up. Here we are in this current 6 months, which we have 9 hours and 51 minutes left, and we're coming right back down. Now you guys can see where on this 6 months chart where the buyers could be. We already came down here. If we see the price in Tesla break below $600, which many of you, I saw comments saying that it was going to, we can see price easily come down to $500. $525. That wouldn't even be a problem for the market to move that low. So the question is, where are we headed? Well, from the chart, the market is looking like it's going to continue to dip. It looks like it's going to continue to fall. Now I know my title, my video has plummet, but it may not actually plummet, but the weakness definitely is apparent. Okay, so what I'm going to do on this video is I'm not going to change my price prediction. I'm still going to look for the market to dip and go down in Tesla. You guys can see my ultimate TP price is around like 550. I'm still looking for that to happen. I think on the last video, I have a price target like 600 too. I'm looking for that to happen as well. Okay. That's it. I'm just going to extend this out further. I'm going to look at this market in Tesla going out further. So we'll have ample amount of opportunity to allow the market to trade. Okay. So we're still sitting pretty on our original price prediction. There's no need for us to come in and try to change it or address it. I just wanted to come through and show you all the 3 months and the 6 months chart. Doesn't look good in Tesla. Like, I wouldn't even be surprised to see the market, like I said earlier, come down to $500 to $525. Just saying. All right, now it's your turn. Go ahead and drop me your comment about where you think the price in Tesla is headed over the next 3 to 6 months. Where we're going to go. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.